Firecracker, let me see you. You're a sweetie. Hold on. I know, life's exciting. Yep. Good. Sit. Good. No, we're not jumping. Little teeny dogs. Good boy. Wait. Nope, wait. Good boy. Good job. Wait. I know, it's exciting. Life's exciting. Good boy. Wait. Good boy. Let's go. Good. No pulling. No pulling. We gotta learn no pulling. Sit. Good job. Good boy. Try it again. Sit. Nope. Nope. Sit. Good boy. This little guy and his brother are here for training. Sit. Good boy. They each have their own specific issues, so we'll be working them separate. Sit. Nope. Sit. Good. First thing I'm doing is just getting them used to the clicker. Sit. Nope. Sit. Good. And helping them understand clicker equals reward. No pulling. Sit. Sit. Good. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Free. Let's go out here. Come on. Don't pee there. Good. Do-do-do-do. Lots of fun stuff, huh? Come. Sit. Nope. Come. Sit. Nope. Sit. Sit. You can do it. Sit. Good boy. Good job. That one's too big. Good boy. Good. Okay. Such a little fella. What is that? What is it? So, work on recalls. Work on weights at the door so they don't bust out. Working them separate and then working them together. Come, sit. Good boy. Good. Free. What? Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. Let's go. What are you doing? Come here. Hi. You're sweetie, aren't you? I hope everybody can see it. I don't have my camera like all angled weird. Hi. There you are. Normally I have it up a little bit. Where are you going? Where are you going, Hoppy boy? Stay kind of close to them. Little hawks will come. Watch the little ones. Come. Come. Good boy. Come. Come. Good boy. You're fine. He is hysterical. He's a character, isn't he? Hey, you! Come here! No? Ah, that's what Mom said you did. That's what Mom said you did. Mom said you just looked back and took off. So you give people the finger. You give people the little dog finger. What you doing? What you doing? Hi! Hi! What are you doing? I gotcha. Good boy. Let's go. Too hot out here. So she walks them on a flexi tandem. So that they have some... Nope. Good. So that they have some freedom. But we need to teach them control too. So I'm not going to be walking them on a flexi with a tandem. I'm going to be teaching them not to pull. Good boy. Good sit. Just carry you a little bit, huh? What do you think about that? What do you think about that, huh? So, we'll be working each individual dog. We started working on some stuff the other day. They've been here for a few days, so little baby steps at a time, getting them used to the place, used to the rules. Working very hard on them. Lots of stuff with recalls for both of them.